Welcome back, teachers. We are on lesson 7, Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico, and the journey of the monarch. Today's lesson is going to require students to be really great active listeners. In this lesson, students will observe and track the monarch butterfly migration cycle. They will learn what way stations are and how they will help pollinators along the migration path. And they will explore migration challenges and danger zones and how they will affect the migration cycle. So today, students are going to be given a butterfly monarch breeding season. It's more like a butterfly monarch circle. And it's a cycle showing how monarch butterflies travel. Today, the students are going to be given a black and white copy of this map. And then the teachers are going to have this map up so that way the students can know what color to color their butterflies and their flowers and the danger zones. So what you're going to do is on their copy, you're going to ask them to color a blue butterfly, a green butterfly, a yellow butterfly, a red butterfly, and then of course 2 orange flowers. So that way they'll know where the way stations are located. And then the 2 red triangles to show where the danger zones are at. In the lesson, it is going to be totally scripted. Don't forget to watch the lesson video first with Harmony. Okay, and then of course, don't forget to look at your materials. So don't forget to look at the materials section because that tells the students what they're going to be needing. They're going to need pencil colors, glue sticks, scissors, crayons, and then of course the migration wheel, and then their map. And then once again, please make sure you're watching the video first. Today's lesson is going to be totally scripted. So you print out that lesson and you keep it right in front of you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to read all of these, everything in red the teacher's going to read. And then once you get to the classroom activity, that's when you guide the students to make sure that they're coloring their butterflies, all those colors. Okay. And then you read everything in red. Like I told you, this lesson is going to be very scripted. So you read everything, and the students are going to follow your instructions. So that way, by the time they're done with their lesson, they will see the path of where the butterflies travel. They will also see where those way stations are located. And they're going to see how Guadalajara has been doing an awesome job helping our monarch butterflies because most of their cities are covered with cement areas. And so they have actually had to create some way stations, lots of inner city gardens, so that way the butterflies can stop and as they're going through their whole migration cycle, they can stop and get their nectar and rest. And so it is a really interesting lesson. Enjoy it. The kids are going to have a blast with it. Um, and then at the very end, you're just going to encourage them to write their name. And then throw in some social studies skills. They're going to actually create um, a legend so that way they can explain what the colors are on their map and what everything stands for. All right. Once again, you have your extension, your differentiation, your assessment piece, and enjoy. Let us know what you think. Email as you take pictures throughout all these lessons, and we want to hear back, especially with your feedback and how the students are doing with the lessons. 3 more lessons to go. See you in the next lesson.